In the months after the fierce fighting at Noreuil in April 1917, Australian soldiers buried their fallen comrades close to where they fell. Simple wooden crosses marked the rows. But the war did not release the village. As the front line shifted, the cemetery was hit repeatedly by shellfire. Many graves were shattered, their markers destroyed, and some bodies lost beneath fresh craters. After the armistice, recovery teams returned, gathering the remains they could and moving the surviving graves to one side of the site. Special memorials were erected for those whose resting places could no longer be identified, ensuring none were forgotten.